we want to solve this system by graphing, we need to first solve for y, because we're going to graph this by y equals mx plus b. Okay, so we have x plus 2y equals 2, and we're going to subtract x from both sides, and we get 2y equals negative x plus 2. Divide both sides by 2, and we get y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. So let's start with that one. Here's plus 1. And because it's negative 1/2, we're going to go down 1 and 1 to the right. So down 1, 1 to the right, or to the right. We're going to go down 1 to the right again. And we have our line that will look like this. So make that look a little bit straighter. All right, so that's the first line that we have. Now next we have to take the other one, 2x plus 4y equals 32. We're going to solve this for the y. So we'll start by subtracting 2x from both sides. 4y equals negative 2x plus 32. We're going to divide everything by 4. We get y equals negative 2/4, so it'll be the same thing as negative 1/2 x. And we have plus 8. So 8 is going to be way up here. And again, we have negative 1/2, so we go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Now, if we take a look at these two lines, we see that these lines do not cross. These lines are parallel. So what we know about parallel lines is they do not cross. So because they don't cross, that means that there's no solution to this problem. So I would write no solution. Okay, it's no solution again because the lines do not cross. Now let's suppose that we had both these lines were exactly the same equation, which means that all you would see is one line here. Now in that case where you just have one line, then that would be considered infinite solutions. So if you've got two lines that are parallel, it's no solution. But if you end up only with one line that you see as a result, because both equations, if these are both the same, like negative 1/2 x plus 1, negative 1/2 x plus 8, or plus 1, both of them is exactly the same, then you would have infinite solutions because one line will be drawn on top of the other. So every single point that goes through the first line would go through all the same points in the second line because they would both be identical. But for this particular problem, no solution because they don't cross. They would be parallel.